Good morning, Shadrach. Today we are going to have an English lesson for grade 6s, okay? Can you hear me clearly? Shadrach, are you able to hear me? Shadrach, can you hear me? Shadrach? Can you hear me, Shadrach? Today we are going to have a lesson on vocabulary, okay? We are going to have a lesson on vocabulary and jumbled words, okay? We're going to have a lesson on vocabulary and jumbled words.
Yes, I can.
Can you hear me? Okay, that's good, okay? So I have some jumbled words here. These jumbled words, they belong to animals, okay? They belong to animals, okay? These jumbled words belong to animals. Are you still there? Shadrach? Okay. Just unlock your video. Unlock your video there. Okay, I have some jumbled words here that we want to do spellings, want to do spellings where I'm going to give you some jumbled words. Okay, so are you able to hear me now, Shadrach? Can you hear me, Shadrach? I think yes, you can hear me. Okay, I have these words. They are jumbled. I want you to be able to unjumble them. They belong to animals. Are you able to hear me now, Shadrach?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. I have this
Yes,
example. Can you take this down? R-I-G, R-I, R-I-G, double F-A-E. R-I-G, double F-A-E. If you look at this, there is no word that looks like that, where you have R-I, where you have R-I-G. Let's say I have R-I-G, double F-A-E. This is jumbled. Can you see? It is an R-I-G, double F-A-E. This is a jumbled word. How do you spell this jumbled word? This is giraffe. Can you see? So you say G-I-double-F. Okay, this is giraffe. It is jumbled. Okay, another example, I have R-A-H-E. Shadrach, unlock your video once more. R-I-H-E. It is an animal, okay? That is R-I-H-R-A-H-E. That is equal to hare, H-A-R-E. Once you have unjumbled it. Are you there, Shadrach? Can you hear me? Shadrach? You can hear me? Okay, good. All right. Good. All right. All right. Let me give you this word. Can you take down this word? C-K-U-B. 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 Have you taken that down? Have you taken it down, Shadrach? Okay, I think the network there is a problem. So we said C-K-U-B. The clue for that, that is an animal. It is a wild animal. It lives in the bushes. It is eaten by lions. It is eaten by lions. What is that animal there, Shadrach? That is C-K-U-B. It is a wild animal, Shadrach, eaten by lions. It eats grass. What is that? What is that animal? Yes, Shadrach, what is it? Are you able to talk, Shadrach? Yes. It is a
Kudu.
yes, it's a kudu. Good. It's a kudu. Yes, good, Shadrach. That is good. Let me give you another example again.
Is it a kudu?
Yes, it's a kudu. That's correct, Shadrach. That is correct. Let me give you another jumbled letter. GDO. 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 Have you got that? Did you manage to get that? GDO. GDO. Okay, and then now I'm going to tell you the clue. This is an animal. This animal is kept at home. It is a domestic animal. People use this animal to protect their homes, and also it can be a friend. What is this animal? GDO. Shadrach, are you able to get the answer for the GDO? It is an animal. It is kept at home. It is a domestic animal. What is that animal called? Shadrach? Shadrach, are you able to hear me? What is it, Shadrach?
Yes.
Yes. What is that animal? That is the G, D, and O. What is that animal?
I don't know.
It stays at home. It can be a friend. It is a domestic animal. We keep it to protect ourselves from thieves. What is that animal?
Dog.
A dog. Good, Shadrach. Yes, good. Good, Shadrach.
Dog.
Yes, that is correct. That is correct, Shadrach. And then I have this animal again, another animal for you to guess. EZRAB. This one, EZRAB. Can you hear me? EZRAB. May you take it down, then I'll give you the clue. EZRAB. Can you hear me, Shadrach? EZRAB. EZRAB. This is a wild animal. It has something on its body. And also, what is it?
Yes.
Sorry?
A zebra.
A zebra. Good, Shadrach. That is correct. It's a zebra.
Zebra.
Yes, it's a zebra. Correct. That is correct, Shadrach. That is.
Tisha, is it a zebra?
Yes, it's a zebra. Yes, it's a zebra. That is correct, Shadrach. Can you hear me?
A zebra.
Good.
A
It's correct.
zebra.
Yes, you got it. It's correct. All right. I have another animal for you. This one is spelled with R-A-H-E. 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 The clue for this animal, the next animal that I have for you, Shadrach, R-A-H-E. R-A-H-E. May you take that down again. R-A-H-E. Let me give you a clue. This is a small animal. In agriculture, we call it a small animal. Some people keep it, they keep it in their homes. They keep it in their homes. It's a small animal. It is a small animal. We keep it at home. It has long ears, long ears. What is it, Shadrach?
A hare.
A hare. Good, Shadrach. That is correct. It is a hare. Good. That is correct. Now,
A hare.
yes, that's correct,
A
Shadrach.
hare.
Yes, it's a hare. It's a hare. Good. The next letters that I'm going to give you, please take them down. It's O, O, double O, double B, A, N. Double O, double B, A, N. Double O, double B, A, N. Let me give you the clue to that. That animal is found in Africa. It is mostly found in Africa, that animal. It is a type of a monkey. It is a type of a monkey. What is it? That animal is found in the wild. It's a wild animal. It is a wild animal. It is a type of a monkey, Shadrach. What is that animal? It is a type of a monkey. It is found in Africa, especially South.
A baboon.
A baboon. Good, Shadrach. It's a baboon. That is correct.
A baboon.
Shadrach? Yes, that is good. It's a baboon. It's a baboon. That is
Baboon.
correct. Yes, that is correct.
It's a baboon.
Yes, yes, it's a baboon. Correct, Shadrach. That is correct. Okay. That is correct. Now we are going to go and do our vocabulary. Vocabulary. Please, can you take down these words, okay? Take down these words. We are going to use them to fill in the sentence. I have facilities. 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 Okay? Facilities. The next word is atmosphere or atmosphere. 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 I'm sure you can spell atmosphere. Atmosphere. A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. Atmosphere. All right. The next word is identification. Identification. Identification is I-D-E-N. I-D-E-N. I-D-E-N-T-I-F-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. I-D-E-N-T-I-F-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Identification. Identification. Did you manage to get that, Shadrach? Shadrach, are you able to, did you manage to get the word identification?
Yes.
Good. All right. My next
Yes.
word is spacious. Spacious meaning
Yes,
something
teacher.
that is a lot of space. Okay, good, Shadrach, good. Let me spell spacious for you.
Yes.
That's the next word, spacious. S-P-A, S-P-A-C-I-O-U-S. S-P-A-C-I-O-U-S. Spacious. S-P-A-C-I-O-U-S. Spacious. Spacious means a place that is a lot of space, okay? Then I have relaxed. Relaxed. Relaxed is R-E-L-A-X-E-D. Relaxed. When you are relaxed, when you are not doing anything, you're just relaxed. You can relax while you are lying on the bed. Some people relax while they're just sitting on on the sofa, the couch, relaxed, relaxed. Then we have padded, 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 P-A-D-D-E-D, something padded, which means there will be extra material that will be put inside that thing for it to be called padded. If it's padded, which means it has extra material that can be put inside to make it a bit puffy, so it's called padded, something padded. Did you get that spelling, Shadrach? Spelling for padded? Shadrach?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good, Shadrach.
Yes.
The next word is catchy, 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 something catchy, something
Yes.
something that grabs your attention. Catchy, catchy is C-A-T-C-H-Y, C-A-T-C-H-Y. Something catchy, it takes your attention. Okay, something catchy is something that grabs your attention. Something that can just grab your attention is catchy. And then the last word is casually, casually, C-A-S-U-A-L-L-Y, casually. Something casual is something that is not formal, something that is informal, something, things like jeans and t-shirts, they are casual. We call them casual. Something casual is something relaxed, something, something that is not business-like, something that is informal, is something casual. So we say you address casually if you are wearing jeans and t-shirts and some sneakers or tennis shoes. Okay, did you manage to get all those words? I have facilities, atmosphere, identification, spacious, relaxed,
Yes.
sketchy, and casual. Good. Now we are going to use those words to answer the questions that I'm going to read for you now, okay? Before we answer the question, is there any word, Shadrach, that you need me to explain the meaning? Is there any word that you need explanation on its meaning? Because vocabulary needs us to know the meaning so that we are able to fill in the sentences. Shadrach, any word that you need me to explain it for you, the meaning, so that we are able.
Yes.
Yes.
Identification.
Okay, identification. Identification is something that helps someone to get to know you. Okay, identification is abbreviated as an ID, something that helps us to track you, Shadrach. Okay, so if you say an identification, we are saying you have a birth certificate. That is your identification. Okay, when you get to Form 4, when you are 16 years old, you are going to get an identification card, which is called an ID card. Okay. So identification is something that helps us to be able to trace you or to locate you. That's identification, okay? Maybe they can say if you want to identify Mrs. Mdoja, you can identify her with maybe she's wearing a black jacket with this. That's an identification. But we have an identification copy that you have, which is called an ID, that helps us to know you, who you are. It is your age, your name, your birth, your rural area or hometown. Do you understand what identification is? Shadrach? Have you managed to understand the word identification? Shadrach, can you hear me? Shadrach?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now I'm going to number 1. We're going to use those.
Yes.
Let's use those words. Choose any way to fill in the sentences. Number 1 says, the girl was dash dressed in a t-shirt and
yes, teacher, again.
Yes. The girl was dash dressed in a
Yes.
jeans. What is the answer there? The girl was dash dressed in a t-shirt and jeans. Can you choose the answer to fill in? The girl was dash dressed in a t-shirt and jeans.
Casually.
Casually. Good, Shadrach. That is correct. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 says, the dash in the courtroom was very tense. The dash in the courtroom was very tense. Number 2 says, the dash. Number 2 says, the dash in the courtroom was very tense. The dash in the courtroom was very tense. Which word are we going to use to fill in there? The dash in the courtroom was very tense. Which word are we going to use to fill in there? The dash in the courtroom was very tense. Which word are you going to use there, Shadrach? The dash in the courtroom.
It was.
Sorry?
Okay, it's catchy.
The catchy in the courtroom was very tense. No, that's not the one. It is the atmosphere in the courtroom, right? You look at the courtroom. If you go to a court, let's say there is a thief that has been caught there. The atmosphere will be very tense, meaning that everything that will be happening there will be very, very tense, okay? It will be very, very, very tense, okay? That's why we say the atmosphere. We're looking at the whole room and everything. The condition in the room will be very tense, right? The condition in the room will be very tense. So we say the atmosphere in the courtroom was very tense. Number 3, the boxer wore dash gloves. The boxer wore dash gloves. Remember the gloves of a boxer, they have something in them. They are a bit puffy. So what is the correct word there to fill in? The boxer wore dash gloves. Sorry?
Painted.
Good, Shadrach, that is correct. The house has 10 rooms. It is very dash. The house has 10 rooms. It is very dash, which means the house is a lot of. It is very spacious. Good, because if you have 10 rooms, there's a lot of space. There's a lot of space for you to go in and come out. You go here and you come out there. A lot of space. Okay. And then our club provides wonderful dash for its members. Our club provides wonderful dash for its members. Remember that a club has a lot of buildings and other things that are there within the club. There are a lot of things that are happening there. So which word are we going to
catchy?
use? No,
catchy.
Not catchy, not catchy. It starts with an F. It's the F. It starts with an F. You see where catchy is going to come in.
Facilities.
Yes. Our club provides wonderful facilities for its members, which means when you go to that club, there's a lot of things that club is provided for them. Maybe some people can do the gym, others can be doing this. There's a lot of things that club provides, so many things. We call those things facilities. And then our class designed a dash poster for our open day. Our class designed a dash poster. This poster was nice. It was nice. If you look at it, it's nice. So what is the word there?
Catchy.
Catchy. Good. Good, Shadrach. Catchy. That is the word. The meeting was very dash because everyone was friendly to each other. The meeting was very dash because everyone was friendly to each other. Everyone was just seated nicely there in that meeting, enjoying. So it was what? What is
relaxed.
Relaxed. Good, Shadrach.
Relaxed.
It was relaxed because you were just sitting in the meeting, enjoying yourself. Everyone was friendly to one another. No one was shouting at another person in that meeting. So everyone was just relaxed. Good. And then the dash of the bodies took a long time because some of the accident victims had no papers. The dash of the bodies, the dash of the bodies took a long time. Now we're looking at people. The dash of the bodies. What is it that these bodies did not have?
Identification.
Identification. We say the identification of the bodies took a long time because some of the accident victims, they had no papers. When there's an accident, when you are going to a certain place, maybe say you are going to buy bread, right? Sometimes you don't carry your identification, right? So when something happens to you, for them not to start identifying the bodies, it is hard because people will not be carrying any identification on them. Okay. Thank you so much, Shadrach, for being part of today's English lesson. I hope you managed to remember the jumbled up words. I'm going to send some work that is jumbled words, and also I'm going to send vocabulary for you. Remember, vocabulary wants us to know the meaning. And then when you know the meaning, you are able to now answer the questions, complete the sentences that you'll be given, okay? I hope you had a great lesson.
Okay.
I enjoyed myself with you. Let me give you a chance to say goodbye to one another before we end our lesson for today.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Shadrach.
Bye, teacher.
I'm still remembering my
Bye, teacher.
cake. Is my cake still there?
Yes.
Yes.
Do not
So
forget.
please don't eat my cake there. I want my cake. I'll try. If I cannot come, then which means my cake is to follow me.
Okay.
Okay, Shadrach.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Shadi. Bye.
Bye. Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye.